Hi there, my name is Shireen, and thank you for stopping by on this channel. I'm here to just basically explain to you a little bit about what this channel is all about, and essentially it's all about business studies, preparing you for your A-levels exam, and these are short videos on business studies content to help you work smarter and ace your exams as fast as possible. Now, what is the type of contents that you will see? As mentioned before, it is about business studies, so you will have contents about entrepreneur, social enterprise, management roles, and so to speak, and even more if you view through the playlist on this channel. And the idea of all these videos is to provide you with mini lectures so that you can understand business studies in a more smaller or shorter, easier contents, videos of less than 10 minutes long, enough to keep you entertained and not get too bored from watching it. All right. At the same time, I also look at some ways of how to answer your examination questions, right? Helping you to tackle the examination questions better. And so there is a playlist on examination skills on this channel as well. Okay. Now, so yeah, that's pretty much it about this channel. If there are concerns or questions that you want to reach out to me, the email to reach out to me is teach@savage.com.my. There are also some blogs on savage.com.my and other materials that could be useful to you. And yeah, we'll try to send out videos as much as possible on a daily basis. And yeah, till I hear from you or till the next video, have a great day.